Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and OMG, y'all, we have a run glitch to talk about. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now first things first, I need to let you all know that YouTube's a little bit mad at me right now. I'm not sure if it's because I took a week off or what, but notifications have not been going out for my videos, and it gets even worse. My videos have not been showing up in people's subscription feeds. So I'm going to have all of my most recent videos linked for you in the pinned comment down below, but you guys might want to go and check back on the home page of my YouTube channel and just go back through the videos and make sure that you haven't missed out on anything, because we have a lot going on. We have another Dollar General clearance event coming up right around the corner. I have already uploaded one video going over some of the details, and I'll have multiple videos up for you all this week. So like I said, make sure that y'all stay tuned. Now also, we have a little glitch going on with our 20 off of a 2001 coupon, so there is a video talking about the details on that. And also this morning I did upload the new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. We have tons of new markdowns and a penny list for this week, so if you've missed out on anything, make sure that you go back and check those videos out. They will all be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now also, don't forget that the deals are in the details, so please watch the video all the way through. And for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you're in the store to scan each item with your Dollar General app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also, you want to scan each item to price check, because prices can vary from store to store. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and talk about this run glitch deal. Now, this is a run glitch deal because it's not supposed to work this way, and it can definitely be fixed in the system at any time. They can pull the coupon, whatever they want to do. And also keep in mind that typically whenever we have really good deals on soda or pop, whichever one you call it, typically the shelves do get cleared. And I don't know if this is the same everywhere, but in my area, usually the soda guy only shows up like once a week, and whatever he brings, that's going to be it until the following week. So I don't want you guys to miss out on any deals. Now let's go over the details for this run glitch deal. So this week at Dollar General, we have a really awesome sale on Dr. Pepper, Canada Dry, Sunkist, RC Cola, 7-Up, and A&W 2 liters. They're on sale, 3 for $4. For this deal, we are only going to be focusing on the 7-Up, Canada Dry, and A&W, and you guys can mix and match if you would like. Now, the reason why we are only focusing on those 3 2 liters is because we have this DG store coupon for when you spend $15 on A&W, Canada Dry, and 7-Up 2 liters, you're going to save $4. Now, the reason why this is a glitch is because typically, in order to use that coupon, we would have to spend $15 on these products in order for that coupon to work. So that would mean that we would have to pick up a total of 12 2 liters. That would put us at $16 in order for that digital coupon to apply. However, we've got a little glitch going on, and what's happening is the system is actually picking up the regular price of the 2 liters, and it's applying the sale and the coupon. So for this glitch, you want to pick up a total of 6 2 liters, and at regular price, that is going to put you at $15. But like I said, it is now applying the sale and the coupon. Both are coming off together, so that is going to leave you paying $4 for 6 2 liters, making each one just 66 cents each. So 6 2 liters at less than $1 each. Yes, please. Now, also, don't forget that we do have a few coupons out there that are still giving us overage. I do know for sure the Always Discreet, that one doesn't expire until September the 30th. So check your accounts if you have any overage left, and if you go to an old register store, don't forget to use that overage before it expires. And y'all, don't forget to stay tuned, because this week at Dollar General is going to be absolutely crazy. It's going to be so busy. I already have 2 videos planned to go live for you guys tomorrow. So make sure that you check back with the YouTube channel. And before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Good luck out there. Please come back and let me know if you score. And I will see you guys on the next one.